feeling lost in the new Jira interface and longing for the familiar Classic view? Alright, let's get you back to the Jira Classic view. Quick and easy. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account, then look for the Projects menu located at the top of your screen, where your project navigation usually lives. Next, click Projects and select View All Projects. This will take you to a central project overview page, displaying all the projects accessible within your Jira environment. Now, on the project overview page, you'll see all your active projects. If you have numerous projects, use the search bar at the top to find the specific project you want to view. Simply enter the project name into the search field and hit enter. After finding and clicking your project, take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser. Focus our attention on the project key for the chosen project. In this example, the project key is sample. Note down this key. Now, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll find a question mark icon, which accesses the help functionality. Click the question mark and you'll be presented with a menu. From this menu, select the Give Feedback option, which will lead you to a form for providing feedback details. Once the feedback form appears, look for the designated field for the feedback, and in this section, you'll type in a specific URL structure to switch back to the Classic view. The URL structure is Projects. Insert your project key. Summary. Classic equals true. However, pay special attention to the fact that the URL should have no spaces in them. Classic equals true segment, for example, Projects, Sample, Summary. Classic equals true. You would replace sample with your project's key. And there you have it. You are now viewing your project in the Classic interface. Now you can happily continue working as you are used to enjoy your familiar Jira Classic view.